People usually want to buy what they see, so we want to show things that they're going to buy that are like the everyday bread and butter products, but we also want to show something that inspires them that I didn't think of that, you know, it's outside of the box. A pantry is primarily used for just storing dry goods. It doesn't normally have plumbing, you know, or a sink or anything like that. So the scullery is more appropriate because it's a small room off the kitchen that has counter space for prepping or doing dishes, a sink, dishwasher. We have a built-in coffee maker and ice machine for convenience. If you were having a dinner party or entertaining, you know, it'd be really useful and practical to have all that stuff right there. The scullery is right off of the kitchen. We also incorporated like visible storage. So instead of closed doors, we have glass cabinet fronts so that you can see what you're storing easily and accessible. It's easily accessible to get what you need off the shelf or whatever if you're entertaining. The scullery has a really pretty matte black stain on the cabinetry. It really pulls in the matte black accents in the kitchen. So we did matte black hardware, faucet, sink. So I like how those play together. And then the backsplash is a colored mosaic tile that goes the whole wall. And that color kind of plays to the green tones in the cabinetry in the kitchen. So they pair well together.